Benefits of Scan to BIM Conversion, Matterport. How 3D scanning revolutionized the as-built survey. Companies that adopt new technologies early on have the opportunity to get the edge on their competition. 3D scanning has had a huge impact on as-built surveys in recent years. With 3D scanning, a scanner bounces points off a building or terrain and then tracks the flight paths of those points as they return to the scanner. By assembling millions of these data points into a point cloud, organizations get a very detailed and accurate representation of the feature they were scanning, which can be used to support the creation of a detailed and accurate as-built survey. Get all the data you need up front. One of the major advantages of 3D scanning services for as-built surveys is that they allow all the data you might need to be collected in a single streamlined scanning session, often in only a day or two of scanning work. After that point, they can work with the data from the comfort of their office without having to return to the site to collect additional data. This can be especially helpful if your project plan changes in the future, as you'll already have all the data you need to make the new plans. As good as being there. 3D scanning provides some of the most accurate surveying data possible, which in turn means that the as-built surveys you create with the data will be accurately dimensioned as well. As-built surveys created from the results of 3D scanning are the most accurate representation of a feature that an organization can create. As a result, it represents the next best thing to being there. Project team members can create plans for how to update systems or install new ones while feeling completely confident that their plans are based on accurate dimensions. Quick, cheap, and easy. Estimates show that 3D scanning can capture more accurate data than traditional surveying methods while taking about 70% less time. In addition, the survey data can be captured by an individual working alone, rather than requiring a team of surveyors working together. Since 3D scanning requires fewer man-hours to complete than traditional surveying, it can be significantly less expensive. Useful for a variety of purposes. 3D scanning services for as-built surveys offers a variety of benefits over traditional surveying methods. It's no surprise to see them catching on in a variety of industry settings for many different purposes. For instance, as-built surveys created using 3D scanning services can be used on new construction projects to create an exact representation of the finished facility. This can be preserved and referred to later on, in case you ever decide to retrofit the facility to add new systems. Applications. 3D scanning as-built surveys can also be quite useful for various applications. To name a few, historical preservation, space planning, reconstruction projects, construction monitoring, renovation, and facility management. Thank you. For more information, visit www.AmayaCAD.com or email us at info@AmayaCAD.com.